In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Pyscript in WordPress. We'll walk through using the WordPress.com plugin directory to find the PyPlugger for Pyscript plugin and start a site with it enabled. Begin by heading to WordPress.com and opening the Sites section so you're looking at your WordPress.com dashboard options. From there, go to the Plugins area. This brings up the plugin directory, where we can search and preview details before we start. At the top of the Plugins page, click into the search field and type Pyscript. Press Enter to run the search. In the results, look for PyPlugger for Pyscript. Click the result to open its detail card, and then click through again to view the full plugin page. This page is helpful because it explains what the plugin does and how it brings Pyscript support to WordPress.com sites. Before starting, take a moment to review the tabs on the plugin page. Open Description to understand the overall features and how Pyscript is integrated. Next, select Installation to see how the plugin expects you to add and run Pyscript within posts or pages once your site is set up. Check Changelog to learn what's new or recently fixed, which is useful for compatibility awareness. Finally, glance at FAQs for quick answers to common questions you might run into while testing code snippets. When you're ready, click Get Started. This launches the WordPress.com flow to create or connect a site with the plugin in mind. You'll be asked about a domain next. If you need a new domain, choose the option to search domains and browse the available choices. If you already own a domain and prefer to use it, select the option that says you already have a domain. You'll arrive at the domain input step. Enter your domain as prompted. Then click Continue to proceed. From here, just follow the on-screen steps to complete site creation or connection. Once your site is provisioned, refer back to the installation guidance you reviewed earlier. That's where you'll find the exact way to place Pyscript code on your pages, typically by inserting the appropriate HTML tags or blocks the plugin provides. If you hit any bumps, the FAQs and changelog you saw on the plugin page can help you quickly troubleshoot or confirm recent updates that might affect your setup. That's it. You've searched for Pyscript support, reviewed the plugin details, and started a WordPress.com site with the plugin pathway. Finish the setup flow, then use the installation notes to embed your Python-powered elements. Happy building!